Hey YouTube, everybody, hey, back. Cameron back again. So yeah, Cameron back. So yeah, I'm playing some Slither IO, and yeah.
Yeah, you want to hear a Cameron sound effect? Oh wait, I turned down the volume.
Yeah.
One sec.
What? Listen to this, guys. It's a noise I made in the first episode.
Yeah, it's at 14:47 if you want to check it out. First episode.
Drop the bass. Yeah.
And basically, that's how you drop the bass, guys.
I love that.
For every like this video gets, Cameron will make that noise.
I will. You guys just have to tell me if you liked it.
Yeah, exactly. You know what?
So yeah, that was a funny noise. So yeah,
Not a funny noise, the funniest noise.
the funniest, yes.
The funniest.
This guy's a turkey. I'm gonna go eat him. Even though I really don't love turkey.
Boo. So weird. Wait, oh, I got this.
Dang, guys, you guys on my channel saw that. That was crazy. That sucks. Okay, dang it. Oh god. You guys don't. All my thumbnails. All my thumbnails are of commercials for some reason. I don't like it like
So
that.
don't get confused, guys.
Yeah, don't get confused. Those are Slither.io videos.
Ignore and on.
Yeah.
Godzilla. No, yo, you're gonna get copyrighted if you keep playing that, Charlie.
Oh yeah, I don't want copyright. Charlie, turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
And it's getting really annoying though.
Yes, can do this.
What up, all my prankster gangsters? Yeah, I can do it too. That's my impression of him.
What all my
up,
prank
all my
prankster gangsters.
It's your boy. It's your boy.
It's your boy Gun.
Oh, that little butt idiot. Oh, you little butt idiot. He's a wannabe. You actually go really fast when you boost. Oh, that little butt idiot. What up, all my prankster gangsters? Yo, you.
So
No.
guys,
But real though.
I'm doing pretty good on this. I have 200.
I just started and I'm like already at 900. What the? Did you see that? That guy went through me. Dude, I think this guy's surrounding us. This guy's surrounding us.
You guys saw that on my
Idiot,
channel.
oh.
Yeah, I'm that good.
It's probably because my name is Hitler Equal Bay.
Yeah, Carson's name is Hitler Equal Bay. Hitler is a stupid idiot.
Hey, Cameron,
Yes?
what the bald kid get for Christmas?
What?
Cancer.
That's horrible! That's a horrible joke!
It is. What? Oh, that guy just killed both of us. When you get in a race with someone, but then someone goes in front of you. Yes.
So here, guys. Okay, yeah, you guys see, I'm getting pretty big. I already have 1,000. So yeah. I'll get bras. So yeah,
Oh, dude, number 5's name is Sirius.
Sirius XM.
Like Sirius Black, Harry Potter.
Sirius.
Seriously black.
Kirsten, you need to shut up.
Hey, no, I'm Harry. Oh my god! That moment when the biggest guy dies next to you, but then it's just a frenzy and you die. What up, all my prankster gangsters? People are homies. I am the best. I am Pink Sheep. Everyone jump on Squill Sheep. Oh my god.
The mustache is gone. I don't know where it went or if it is ever coming back. When I saw that mustache of my gangster in Snake, I felt an excitement like nothing I have felt before. It was all I ever wanted. It was all I ever needed, and now it is gone.
All I ever wanted. All I ever needed. Dude, what the heck? I had one finger on the screen, and it just boosted all my stuff away.
Oh yeah, that happened to me once. Yeah, it can be like 2 fingers. I think it's 1, 2. Sorry guys, I forgot I was recording. Dang. Okay, that's why I wasn't
Oh,
talking.
get dead, son! Cause I killed you. Get it? It's a joke. It's a prank, bro.
Get pranked. Oh, I'm gonna get. Okay, I was gonna get those grenades,
my goal
but
is
that guy
just
just had to ruin it. Thanks, guy. Thanks.
Hey guys, if you don't know, the whole point of Slither.io is to make your snake bigger. I'll make it bigger now.
No! You guys on my channel saw that.
What did he say?
Oh my god!
What did he say? Shut up, Karen. Karen.
Think of it.
Purple chef's face.
Can you clear that stuff off? It's very annoying. So yeah, guys, I just died. Crap. Dang it.
Nice glass of lemonade.
Guys, that wasn't fair because I really needed a glass of lemonade, so my vision was a little blurry because of that. We interrupt this analogy being late to present your top 10 snake facts. Snake fact number 10. Snakes do not have mustaches, so they are ugly. Snake fact number 9. Snakes may or may not be caterpillars that have been exposed to radioactive waste. Snake fact number 8. Snakes cannot drive airplanes. Trust me, I tried and it did not end well. Snake fact number 7. The reason snakes are so angry all the time is because they are cold, so they are constantly looking for a sweater.
Okay, guys.
Number 6.
I made my.
As observed by this
I've made my. I guess I could call it comeback. They're watching. They're watching something very annoying.
Snake fact number 4. Snakes are really good at hacking into ATMs. Snake fact number 3. This guy is snake not snake. Snake fact number 2. Snakes often like to go to McDonald's with their squad and eat a lot of chicken nuggets. And lastly, snake fact number 1. Snake spelled backwards is. Hope you enjoyed these top 10 snake facts.
Yeah, I just killed that guy. That was a nice kill.
Your boy is not playing hopscotch this game. Your boy is looking okay, maybe not, maybe just a little.
Dang, I died. Stupid kid.
I'm like focusing so hard right now, you don't know. Literally don't know. Oh my god.
Okay, well that's dumb. Oh yes, best spawn ever.
Oh my god.
That was an amazing start, guys.
Oh my god.
That that was so
Oh
good.
dang it, I'm not in the leaderboard. I want my name to be shown.
Dang it! I died. Duh.
Hit rate Bay must be known. Dude, I'm 25th in the whole ranked.
You are?
Oh, you little no. Dude, I've never. This is my new high score. Oh, I'm gonna kill Slicker.
Okay, guys.
I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna be too busy watching Pink Sheep, so I'm gonna die.
Pink Sheep is annoying. Sorry, Pink Sheep, if you're watching this. My friend watches you. There we go.
Mortal snake hack.
Here we go. Get my stuff. Ooh, 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 ooh. Kill him. Ooh, kill him. Ooh. I just died. Oh,
Snake
God.
Cop is trying to kill me.
That's annoying. Okay.
Dude, I have 4,000.
I
My
just
name will
died.
almost be shown to the world.
4,000?
I want my goal is to put Anaconda someone, or not that.
Boa?
Yeah, Boa. Literally, like honestly, even if it's the tiniest guy in the world, I'm still gonna be like the happiest man in the world.
I'm back on this thing. I have big worms again.
Yeah, that's right, Ruthless. Ruthless is trying to kill me because he's ruthless. No, stop.
Question: Who's the top on your leaderboard?
Tolbert.
Oh, mine's 80%.
Oh yeah, come on.
No. Oh yes, we got lucky there, guys. I forgot I was using this one. I haven't changed it from the last video.
No, you didn't. Oh, this song.
Shh, I guess copyright, please no. Here we go.
Copyright MMOs? No way, that's not you. Otherwise I'm gonna kill you. No!
Carson just died.
5,000.
Ooh, dang, that's harsh.
Dude, that's what you guys scored. I didn't even bow at anyone. I tried to, and then I had a huge leg spike.
I haven't had any leg spikes. Okay,
My
guys.
snake was legging out all over the place.
Oh, no, that
Like,
stinks.
I'm genuinely sad.
Number 6 is Big
I'm
Worm.
sad for once. It was the name, Hitler Eagle Bay. It's definitely. That's why I'm keeping it. That's why I'm gonna add an exclamation point at the end. There. See, now people like me because I put exclamation points. No, I gotta go middle. That's where the action's at. If I want to get big. Oh, you almost died, you little butt.
Dang it. That guy annoys me.
You're not good.
That annoys me. Oh, God.
It's so sad when the guy that kills you just dies right afterwards. And it's
Yeah.
why?
Yeah,
You
it's the
suck,
worst.
You didn't even kill me.
I'm gonna go back to my normal skin, guys, and I think I'm gonna end this video here.
This guy.
Guys, I'm trying to do my outro, so please.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Bam.
So, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, do all that stuff, and yeah. So,
Hey, dude, look at number 9
And-
on my screen.
and go on
Jake from
Slither
Snake
IL.
Farm is here.
So yeah, thanks. Bye, guys. Bye. See ya.
Jake from Snake Farm.
Bye. I just had to take a picture.
Oh, I killed someone.
What? Okay, goodbye, guys.